How to create AI images for free. We know creating stunning visuals from your text has never been easy. So today we'll discuss the process of generating images from text. But before diving into this world of text to image generation, let's discuss the stable diffusion involved in this. Now this stable diffusion is an advanced artificial intelligence model that generates images based on textual description. Basically, it's a state-of-art text-to-image generation technique that combines text and visual information to create compelling and realistic images. So imagine you have a friend who is a talented artist and you describe to them an image in words and they create a beautiful and accurate picture based on your description. So stable diffusion is like this friend, but it is a computer program that generates images from your textual description or prompts using sophisticated algorithms and neural networks. For example, you might describe a prompt like a majestic lion standing on a rocky cliff. So stable diffusion would use this textual description to generate an image that captures the essence of your prompt, create a detailed and vivid pictures of this majestic lion and the surrounding environment. So let us understand the code involved in this to create images from the text. So here, first of all, we will install the required libraries. Now these diffusers are a library for text to image diffusion models. It provides easy to use interface for training and using text to image diffusion models. Then comes transformer. This library contains state-of-art pre-trained models and tools for converting between various model formats, and it is crucial library for working with natural language processing. Then comes Pillow. Well, this library provides essential functionality for working with images in Python. It supports various image file formats which allows you to load, manipulate and save images easily. Then comes Accelerate. Now this library enables you to train and run machine learning models quickly and efficiently. Basically, it is designed to work seamlessly with popular frameworks like PyTorch and TensorFlow. Then comes SciPy. Now this is a library for scientific computing in Python. It provides a wide variety of routine for linear algebra, optimization, integration, special function and more. Then comes Safe Tensors. And this library is a Python package for verified machine learning. It provides tools for computing rigorous safety certificates for neural networks which are essential for ensuring the correctness of their model. So by installing these libraries, you will have the access to the tools required to work with text to image generation models. Now next we need to set up an environment for converting text to images. Make sure to change the runtime to the GPU whenever you run this code in the Google Colab. So here we will import the torch. Now this torch is will import the torch library, which is a popular machine learning library used for building and training deep neural networks. Then from diffuser import stable diffusion pipeline. Well, this line will import a specific class from this diffusers library. Stable diffusion pipeline is a class for working with stable diffusion model, which is a state-of-art text to image generation model. Now from this PIL import image, well, this line will import the image class from the Python imaging library or the PIL. Now this PIL is used for working with images. Then you will replace the model version with your version required. So well, this line is a comment that explains that you might need to change the model version based on your preference or computational resources. And here we have taken the current version as Stability AI Stable Diffusion 2.1. You can take another one also. Then comes this pipeline stable diffusion pipeline dot from pre-trained Stability AI like this. Well, this line will create an instance of the stable diffusion pipeline class with a specific model version. It sets up the pipeline for running the text to image generation model. Then comes pipeline is pipeline.to CUDA. Well, this line will move the pipeline to the GPU for faster processing. Now this CUDA refers to Compute Unified Device Architecture platform, which is used for parallel computing on NVIDIA GPUs. Finally, we will display the results here. Now here we have used the line that is equals to images pipeline prompt dot images 0. Well, this line is the main part where the text to image generation happens. It takes the prompt you defined earlier and then it will pass it to the pipeline object you created. Now this pipeline object will run the Stable Diffusion model with the provided prompt and return an image. Now dot image is 0. That means it will extract the first image generated by the model, since the model can generate multiple variations of an image. Then comes from IPython dot display, import display and display image. Well, these lines are for displaying the image generated by Stable Diffusion model. So once you run this code on the Google Colab, you'll get the image like this. Okay, thank you.